pattern that I used for this project is the 1897 cycling sweater from Kelsey Patton on Ravelry, and I used about 8 and a bit balls of yarn. I finished knitting the body before having the idea to make a project log, but right away, as you can see, the pattern has great detail. This was the first sweater I've ever knit, and at first I thought it was a bit ambitious, but quickly came to realize that it's actually a great first sweater for someone with some knitting experience. The sweater is knit in multiple parts, so once you complete the pieces, you have to sew them together. The sleeves have a great shape to them, and they might seem a bit strange at first, but it comes together really nicely once you start to put it together. I used clips to organize the shoulder pleats before setting them into the body. And having a mannequin for this really helps. If I were to knit it again, there were a few fit-related things that weren't bad or wrong, but could definitely be improved, a mistake on my part. The yarn choice as well is something that I love. It is so soft and breathable, and it doesn't get too hot, but keeps my temperature regulated while cycling. That's about it for this log, but be sure to stop by for part 2 discussing cycling bloomers and to see the whole ensemble put together.